Hello and welcome back to my channel Vintage Paper Creations. Today I would like to show you my completed Steampunk Junk Journal. That's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really liked creating the whole journal, the cover with this faux leather style. I've made a separate video on this that you can find on my channel. I have some lace here that I dyed and then I went over it with a kind of cover. Okay, and then some kind of tassel with a key and a little chain with a lamp. And now let's have a look inside. The kit again is from VectoriaDesigns. I really like their paper. And I had a blast working with it. So I have a little tuck spot here. The journal has 3 signatures in total. So some black lace and a tag. I made a little booklet here with coffee dyed paper. Kind of tuck spot I made out of an envelope which I used. Notes page. Pocket here. Here's another envelope where you can put in some writing or painting, picture, whatever. Another little pocket here. Here is the envelope. I had them in my stash for quite some time and I was not sure what to do with the black ones, so that for this journal it was perfect. Some little embellishments here. Little envelope with a tag. Some lace. Another black envelope with some notes paper. Envelope with some little small writing paper inside. Another notes page. Another envelope and a little tag. Envelope where I used the flap as a tuck spot. Just here another. Something, some more to write on. Did a bit of stamping. Here's another envelope. Can open here and I have some writing paper inside. sheet of paper with a belly band and some embellishments. And here's a flip out with some writing paper in this envelope, a little tag. And finally, okay, which way around? This way. Okay, with some coffee dyed paper inside. Okay, so hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and bye for now.